What's up, everybody? This is a Krista Investor again. And in this video, we're going to talk about a bull flag, how to identify it and how to trade it. So let's get into it. So this is the Google chart on the 1 week, and this is a bullish trend, right? Google had a strong bullish trend from March 2020 all the way until November 2021. That's over a year, right? So in an uptrend, when the market's trending up, it makes higher highs and higher lows. And here's an example I have over here. The market makes higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. On an uptrend and on a downtrend, it makes lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So these correction points, higher highs, higher lows, these points right here, are normally very similar to the flag parts, whether it be a bear flag on a downtrend or a bull flag on an uptrend. So let's get back to the chart. So Google, we're on the 1 week time frame right now. As you see, we make higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's an uptrend. So for you to make an entry, you want to get in at one of these higher lows to ride it to a higher high, right? I suggest that's what you want to do. So that's why the bullish flag is important to trade in these markets. So let's go down to the 1 day. You can use this pattern, the bull flag pattern, on any time frame at all, and in any market. It works. It has the same dynamics and has the same breakdown, basically, the same meaning. So it has a flagpole, slight consolidation, correction, and then an impulse. So I'm going to start from here, and we're going to go over it. So sometimes the chart is not going to show up, as the most beautiful, right? But here's one example on the daily chart, just to make it quick. Diagonal resistance, diagonal resistance. This is diagonal support right here. I just wanted to draw that. So flag, continuation, right? Flag, continuation. And how you trade the bull flag is you want us to break and close outside for you to expect a continuation to the upside, just like how we did here, right? So when you're looking for the bull flag to form, example, we just made an impulse correction, right? Otherwise known as a higher high, higher low. So when we make a higher high, now you want to see what is the price going to do next. We made a higher high, so now we're not breaking above. So now you're going to be looking to see if we're forming a flag, right? This is a very strong bull flagish pattern, sometimes not the cutest, but it's strong because we didn't get a deep correction. And we're going to talk about the Fibonacci retracement in another video, but we spoke about the Fibonacci with the bear flags and how it can help with the confirmation. So if I was going to use my Fibonacci here just to confirm, I could pull my Fibonacci from the swing low, which is the recent swing higher low, to the current higher high, right? And bring it over. And as you see, the fact that we didn't come down to the 50 or the 60, that means the trend is strong. So we're going to continue higher. And that's how we broke out right here, this green candle, and continue going higher, right? This is another correction right here. If I use the Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, you could tell this time we came down to the 50%. With the Fibonacci, the sweet spot area is between the 50 and the 61. This is the natural retracement zone, and price will naturally bounce from here. So we came to the 50 at that point. So this is still a flag, right? Continue. Here's another flag. So this is the recent swing low. We made an impulse, higher low again, make a higher high. So this higher low, if I put my fib from this swing low, this swing high, it would show that we pull back to the 61.8, which it always does. And I'm just going to draw that up. The fib is just an extra confirmation, right? This is the flag right here. So if I'm going to use, since you're watching and paying attention, I'm going to use all three in conjunction. This I'm looking for a trade. I pulled my fib from swing low, swing high. We pull back to the 50. All I need to have, honestly, is my diagonal resistance drawn up. And as soon as we break above, I know we're going to continue higher. So let's say the market looks like this and we haven't seen anything yet. Once we break and close above, I know we're going to continue to retest at least the flagpole, which is the top of the flagpole. right? So basically, how you set targets with your flags is you got to expect it to retest the top of the flagpole. So for in this example, if you entered on the break right here, this is where your target is going to be. If you enter this break, naturally, we should come back to at least the top right here, but this is a full breakout, so we continue. So this is the top of the pole. This is where the retest should come, right? So just to be more efficient, I'm going to go into another example. I'm going to go on the S&P 500. We're in a bear trend right now. Today is currently March 25th, 2023. We're still bearish. And this is the 50-minute time frame. I just want to do a few drops in this way. Since we're not necessarily so bullish, the bull flags won't be as clear, right? But I'm going to drop a few examples of flags. So first of all, this was a low we made. Higher, high, higher, low. If I use the fib on that, it's going to show that we came back to at least the 5061. I like to use the fib in conjunction with the flag, right? Diagonal resistance, diagonal support, boom, break out to the flag. Your target will be right here once you see the flag is forming. So the psychology behind the flag is, think about it. If it's a bullish flag, you are trying to trade the continuation of the trend, right? So we made an impulse. So we're on an up move since we made an impulse to the upside. Then we pull back to test at 38%. This is the ideal flag. Once we tested 38% and we didn't get down to the 50 and the 61, it's more ideal. That means the bear trend is strong. So once I saw that, all I would want to enter a trade off this 50-minute bear flag. I'm zooming in so you see, bull flag, sorry. Once we break, you see this candle? This is all I needed. This one closed above, that showed me the volume is strong. A little bit of chop right here. But once we break and close above this area, this diagonal support, I'm expecting us to retest the top of the flagpole. That is exactly how I trade a bear flag. And this can use on any time frame, 50-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 1 hour, 1 day. Swing trade, day trade, you can use it for many different strategies in many different markets. I hope this video helped you guys. Thanks for watching.